Okay students, so today I am just going to ask you a few questions. It will be like a revision of your PT2 syllabus, revision of the text portion, and then I am going to teach you the story A Bicycle in Good Repair. Okay. So we have some time left. Let us begin. The first question from expert detectives is, who are the expert detectives? The exam will be scheduled within January, and again it is going to be an MCQ exam. 20 marks questions will be there based on multiple choice format. So again you do not have to learn any question answers for the exam, but rather you have to read the chapters thoroughly. Okay. The expert detectives are Nishad and Maya. Yes. Next question is why did Nishad and Maya argue about Mr. Nath? Why did Nishad and Maya argue about Mr. Nath? Let's see. Let's see who can answer this question. Nishad and Maya constantly used to argue about something, like right till the end of the story we find that the two of them are always arguing with each other. But why were they arguing? Just tell me the reason. On what they were arguing? Why they were arguing? Means about Mr. Nath. The next question will be what important information did Nishad gather from Ramesh about Mr. Nath? What important information did Nishad gather from Ramesh about Mr. Nath? Because Maya thought Mr. Nath is a crook and Nishad didn't think so, right? Nishad and Maya had differing opinions about Mr. Nath, and so they would constantly argue. Maya thought, okay, once Shaptoshi has written, according to Maya, as he looked like a crook, the spelling of crook is C-R-O-O-K, crook on the run, but Nishad didn't believe that. Okay, Aniruddha has written, Maya thought that Mr. Nath was criminal, but Nishad didn't accept that because of Mr. Nath's look. Shomdatta has written, because Nishad thought Mr. Nath is a poor man and Maya thought he was a crook. Okay, so whenever you are, so the two things that you have to remember is that Maya and Nishad argued about Mr. Nath constantly because while Maya always considered him to be a bad person, a crook, probably somebody who was on the run, hiding away from police, Nishad was of a different opinion. According to Nishad, Mr. Nath was a poor and lonely old man and he was in desperate need of human companionship. Okay, so because they had different opinions about Mr. Nath, that's why they would argue. The next question is, yes, your answer is right. All of your answers are right. From the beginning, those of you who have answered, Manish and another boy has also answered, no? Manish and Anurag also, you have answered, but you also have to write, Maya said that he is a crook, but Nisha thought he was a good person, good but poor person, poor and lonely person, and he felt pity for Mr. Nath, whereas Maya felt anger towards him. Okay, or rather Maya felt suspicious about him. Okay, now what is the answer of my next question? The question was that, what important information did Ramesh give to Nishad about Mr. Nath? What would be the answer of that? What would be the answer of that? And the next question would be, who is the writer of the story? Nishad found almost every Sunday Mr. Nath used to have the same visitor at his home. This answer is written by Aditya, and Ramesh used to carry 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room and used to have. Yes, you are right, Aditya. Aditya, you are right. And Aniruddha has also written Nishad found almost every Sunday Mr. Nath used to have same visitor at his home, and Ramesh used to carry 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room and they used to have. Yes. So, the answer is the important information which Nishad got from Ramesh about Mr. Nath was that every Sunday he had a visitor, and he had a visitor who was a very jovial man, and that visitor would have lunch with Mr. Nath. Okay. So, you all are correct about this answer. So, who is the writer of the story? Who is the writer of the story? Sharada Dwivedi. Right. Very good. I hope all of you have closed your books and answering right. Yes, I am sure you have closed your book. Okay, now tell me, why did Maya and Nishad get an unexpected school holiday? Why did Maya and Nishad get an unexpected school holiday? Why did Maya and Nishad get an unexpected school holiday? We just have 6 minutes left, I think, right? Let me see how much time is left. Yes. So, we won't be able to start anything new. So, today, because on that day it was raining hard. Very good. Very good. So, even though their school was supposed to open, it didn't open. The next question is, how did Maya spend her unexpected school holiday and how did Nishad spend it? Yes, there was a heavy downpour, the roads got correct, Shomdatta. Yes. Tell me the next answer. How did Maya spend her day? How did Maya spend that particular holiday, unexpected holiday? Maya spent that holiday by writing some important notes about Mr. Nath. Yes, correct. And what was her brother doing at first when she was writing those notes? What was Nishad doing? Yes, her brother was reading comics, right. Now, the next question is, tell me, when Nishad or when Seven told Maya that Mr. Nath looked very ordinary to be or looked too ordinary to be a crook. Okay, many of you have written the answer. Her brother was reading comics. Maya gathered the facts. Shomdatta has written and Rahul has written. Agnish has also written. Okay, correct. The question is that when Nishad told Maya that Mr. Nath looked very ordinary or rather too ordinary to be a crook, whose instance was provided by Maya? What instance rather was provided by Maya to prove Nishad's opinion otherwise? That is, Nishad told her that Mr. Nath was very ordinary to look at, right? But Maya said something which contradicted this thought, okay? And whose instance was provided by Maya? Maya first of all said that criminals can also look very ordinary, and then she gave an instance of somebody. What was that instance? Instance means an example. Okay, she gave an example of a person or she gave an example of an event. I think you have got the answer by now. You can understand which part I am referring to. Rahul, you don't know the answer? Okay. So, you have to read the book again. Okay, read the story very well. Read the story very well, you will get the answer. I think many of you are trying to write the answer. Okay, let me tell you another question, then we can end the class. That is, what was the meal habit of Mr. Nath? What was the meal habit of Mr. Nath? Let me take your attendance in the interval. When you are typing the answers, let me take your attendance. So, today I won't be teaching anything new. Yes, Aditya, you have correct. You have given the correct answer. Maya told him, or rather presented the instance about the Hyderabadi housebreaker who looked very ordinary as well, even though he was a criminal. Maya said that even criminals can have ordinary appearances, and then she gave the example of the Hyderabadi housebreaker, okay, whose pictures had appeared in the newspaper. Okay, students, Rahul, did you get the answer now? In order to prove herself, Maya said that she had seen Hyderabadi housebreaker in paper who looked very ordinary. Yes. So, this was the instance which was provided. Yes, correct. So, all of you, I think you can recall which answer I wanted. Many of you have given me the answer, and the next question's answer also, it has been given by Aniruddha. The meal habit of Mr. Nath, what he had for, means throughout the day, how many meals he had and what he had. Okay. Very good. So, today I am going to end the class here.